Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to insert multiple rows in Excel in a super easy and efficient way just by holding the shift key. This method will save you time and effort when you are working with a large spreadsheet. Let's get started. First, open your Excel spreadsheet where you want to insert the row. You should already have your data ready, just like the one I have in my front here. Now select the row where you want to insert the new row. For example, if I want to insert row below the row 5 right here, I'll just click on the button here on the row 5. Okay, click on the row number 5 and I would highlight it right away. Okay, so once I've done that, I'll hold on my shift key. Now here where the magic happens, hold on the shift key on your keyboard and select multiple rows just like this. You can see, and select the multiple rows. Okay, once you do that, just release the release the shift key. You can see the rows has been created based on the number of rows selected. And that is it. You just learn how to insert multiple rows in Excel using the shift key. This method is a real time saver when you are working with large spreadsheets. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you next video. Bye.